Hi friends, today I want to share with you this product that is the best thing that I just discovered to make more easy the process to wash your dishes. This is dispenser dishwand with the sponge. Let me show you. Came with this sponge are 6 of this. All these ones. This sponge is like a heavy-duty work and not scratches in your dishes. And came with this plastic part that assembled with this soap dispenser. You can just put it here, and you use this to wash your dishes. This is the dispenser, and you can put here some water. And some soap again, some soap too. So now our dispenser has soap and water inside. You can shake it a little for a better results. You put your sponge in the dispenser, and with this bottom, you just push it and make some air pressure so the soap comes directly to your sponge. And this way you can see all the soap in the sponge. And so easy, you can just wash your dishes more easy. As I say, these sponges are heavy duty and no scratch in the dishes. Also, it's easy to replace your sponge, and you have 6 of them, so you always have one to continue with your homeworks in your kitchen. You can easily use your product to wash another surface of your home, like the kitchen this way. So if you wanna save time and wash your dishes easy, I highly recommend this product. See you.